Hey guys, it's Paul. I'm going to show you how to launch a WordPress website using DigitalOcean for $5 a month, and we're going to do it all in 10 minutes. I've just launched my blog because I want to do some training videos on how to use WordPress on DigitalOcean. A $5 version, you'll see it's pretty quick, it's happy, it worked. And then I'm going to show you in the next video how to secure it. So the next thing, once you've launched your blog, you're going to want to make it secure up here. It's just a good thing to do for a little bit better search rankings, and if you're selling stuff e-commerce wise, you have to have a secure website, right? So DigitalOcean, first thing, if you haven't signed up for DigitalOcean, go to pnuk.co/DigitalOcean. I'll put a link at the bottom of the video so you can see it. I get a little bit of credit for sending you their way, so it takes a little bit of money off my bill each month if people sign up with my affiliate link. So pnuk.co/DigitalOcean. Thanks. So first thing, you're going to log in once you signed up, and you do create a droplet. We're going to create a one-click app. So click one-click apps, and down the bottom here is WordPress 16.04. Yours will be higher if you're looking further down the line. If it's further on, you know what I mean. It'll go up. So I'm going to pick the $5 version, as we said, $5 WordPress. If you think you need more juice, if you think you're going to need more space, but for setup, you can always grow it later. If it's not big enough for you, you can grow it later. So 1 GB, 25 GB disk space, $5 a month, right? I would enable backups. Just because obviously it's going to back up for you. You don't want to have to go through everything. To start weekly, it only does it once a week though. In the data center, you're going to want to choose the data center closest to your customers, to the people who are viewing your website. For me, I'm gonna do this for my funnel launcher website. I'm going to put a blog on funnel launcher. So most people I think will be in America. I'm going to use this New York one because it's close. For me, it's close to me and it's close to America. Whereas maybe San Fran might be a busier one. Turn monitoring off so you can see stuff, and then down the bottom here, just give it a name. So I'm going to call it Funnel Launcher Blog, and then select a project. It doesn't really matter, but if you've got bunched up projects like I've got a forum and a website and something else within DigitalOcean, you might want to keep things together. But I'll just put this in the pull project. You can move them around as well later. So we're all straight, right? So let me just go back through. $5 a month plan. I've enabled backups. I've chosen the data center closest to me. I've turned monitoring on. I've given it a name, and then I create. So it does it pretty quick. The WordPress one doesn't seem to take very long at all. I'll put a link to this instruction on how to do it as well. So what you have to do is once you're set up, you need to then point your blog to that, your domain to that IP address, and you just need to do some setups to activate WordPress. So we've actually got to this point here. We've created the droplet, and now we need to check it's working. So once that's gone, it's going to give me an IP address, which I copy, and I should get that DigitalOcean shark. Come on, don't prove me wrong now. Here it comes. Come on, baby. I might have done it a little bit quick. Yeah. Nope, didn't work. So we'll go again. There we go. So we get the DigitalOcean shark. The droplet is set up, right? So now what I need to do is activate WordPress in this droplet. So access droplet via enabled configuration, right? So you need to open terminal and log into your account. Let me just turn mine off. So on a Mac, I go Utilities, Terminal. I think on Windows, you just go to the, is it like a start or a search in the bottom left corner, and type in Terminal, and it'll find the Terminal app, and you just open it, right? So now I'm going to go here. I've got an email from DigitalOcean saying, this is your IP address, and this is your password. So I'm going to grab this IP address. I'm going to do SSH root at that password, that IP address. It's going to say, do you want to continue? Yes, I do. What's your password? I go back to the email, grab the password. I put in the password, it gives me some spiel. Are you ready to go? Changing password for root, so you want to put your own password in. So you put the original password in first, and then you put in yours. So I'm going to put in my password, trying to do it correctly without reading it out loud, which I've done on a few videos. WordPress has been enabled, right? So now WordPress is switched on. So when I go back to that IP address on the, we're up to here configuring WordPress, right? So when I go back here and refresh this, I'm going to get a WordPress Wizard page now, an install page, right? So I'm going to go through English United States. Title is the Funnel Launcher blog. Username Paul. I'll save this because you'll see what I type if I don't. Put in my email address. .com. Don't want to tick this unless you don't want search engines to find you. Install WordPress. WordPress has been installed. It's going to save my password and I'm going to log in, right? Paul, that password I've just saved, and I'm in. So now the only thing left to do is point the domain name. So at the moment, here's the site, but it's on that IP address, right? We want that IP address to be, we want the domain name to show up now. So what I do, I'm going to do funnel launcher. So I come into GoDaddy or wherever your hosting is. You find your domain name, wherever you're doing it, go to DNS settings. If you're doing it on the root domain, if you want this to be, if I wanted this to be funnellauncher.com, I would change this to just be the @ but I want it to be blog.funnellauncher.com, right? So what I have to do is add a new A record, type in blog or whatever you want it to be .yourdomain.com, if it's, you know, news dot or I don't know what you'd call it, info dot, whatever it is, and then you're going to go back and grab your IP address, right? So it's that one up there. If I go back to my email, it's this one. Right, what am I doing? Right, back to here. So a record blog points to that IP address. I'm going to change this to 600 just so it picks up faster, and I save it, right? So now if I go to blog.funnellauncher.com, blog.funnellauncher.com, I get to the blog, right? And if I go to, oh no, I haven't saved the password, have I? I can't remember what the password was. Oh well. So I'm already logged in over here, aren't I? No, I've logged out. It's changed me, innit? So what I'll do is I'll reset the password and come back to you, because the one last thing we need to do is just tell WordPress that we need to point the domain inside WordPress to what we've just set up, right? So just give me a second to reset the password. All right, so I log back in. What I've got up here though is still the IP address. I want to change this so it all defaults to blog.funnellauncher.com, right? So I come here. I go to settings. If I was here, then go to settings, and then I just need to change this to what I want it to be. Blog.funnellauncher.com. Blog.funnellauncher.com. Let me just make sure I've done that right. Blog. And I'm going to save it. It probably will kick me out. Yeah. But now you'll see up at the top, blog.funnellauncher.com. So if I go back to, I've now got, it's defaulted. Everything I click on, if I go to Hello World, will be blog.funnellauncher.com. If I go to login and log in with my new password, which hopefully I've done the first time right there. I've now got, when I log in, it says blog.funnellauncher.com. So now you've got a live working WordPress website, $5 a month, backed up once a week. I think it's pretty fast. I don't think there's anything you need more than that. But you can always, on DigitalOcean, go in and resize. If you're not getting enough juice, if you're getting more people, or you think your website needs a bit more power, then you can just upgrade. You basically have to pause. You have to turn off. You turn off your website for 5 minutes. So you have to power it down. Then you resize it. So you can't resize without it being on. You resize it, upgrade it, and power it back up. So that's a $5 a month WordPress blog sorted. What I'm now going to do is show you in the next video. I'm going to do it in a separate video because people will be Googling how to do this. How do I now secure it? So when I go to blog.funnel-launcher.com, you'll see at the top here, you get a little, your connection to the site is not secure. So if people are browsing your site in coffee shops or something, it might say this is not a private website. This is, be careful about logging in because you're not secure. So we're going to put an SSL certificate on that, but I'll put a link in the next video, in the link below, just so you can see where it is. Any questions, you know where I am, paulnicholson.com. Jump in, come to my forum or my blog. Dive in, ask questions. I'm always here to help. So I hope that helped. Finally, again, if you've got this far but you're thinking about signing up with DigitalOcean, pnuk.co/DigitalOcean is my affiliate link, and that gets me a little bit of change. It gets me a little bit of money off my bill with DigitalOcean. Thanks, guys.